gamit niyang bag
Hmm.
sa
Hi, I'm Franz, Erica B. Ripuyan, at ako po ang nagmamay-ari ng Ruyag Native Products Manufacturing o tinatawag na Ruyag PH. So nagsimula po si Ruyag during pandemic, tapos po actually yung time po na yon nagkaroon po ako ng depression. So ang ginawa po namin, naghanap kami ng reasons to find joy. Ang galing lang po ng nangyari kasi during that time, nahanap ko po yung word na ruyag. Ruyag po is a gubatnon term which means joy at excitement in one word. Kumbaga, kinikilig ka when you say ruyag. Pag sinabihan ka ng taga-gubat na ruyagon ako sa imo, it means sobrang natutuwa sila sa'yo. Meron po kasi kaming tour operating business. Tapos, since pandemic nga po affected siya, nawala ng mga trabaho yung mga tour operators namin. And then after that, nag-start po kami na sabi nila, pwede naman silang gumawa ng mga baskets. Nag-uso po ang mga plantita, plantito, tapos doon na po nag-start. So, tuloy-tuloy na po hanggang sa ngayon na nandito na po kami sa bag industry. Nag-improve na lang. Amazingly po, lahat po 'to nakuha online. I planned and strategized marketing campaigns po through Instagram, and luckily po nakuha namin yung mga customers na ito. So, we sell po through Instagram, Facebook, and then we also sell po sa mga e-commerce platform. We also have Shopee, at the same time TikTok po. So, dun po kami nagsisell ng mga items po namin. So, though wala po kami ma'am ng physical store and wala din po kaming mga talaga dito sa Albay, meron po kaming mga partners. Meron kaming partner po with Tropical Nomad, Boracay, Station 2. Meron din po sila ng El Nido. Meron din po kaming Siargao. So, may mga specialty stores po na dun kami nagbabagsak ng mga products namin with celebration by Ruyag po. So, meaning po is celebration, in Bicol, celebration. Mga brides po namin, kasi we cater mostly now with brides sa isang brand. So, from Ruyag po, meron na siyang other brand na may specific niche for brides and mga weddings. So, doon po sila namimigay po ng mga gifts yung mga brides. So, binibili nila online. We catered po, our first client actually was Ella Pangilinan's wedding. So, I was so happy to know na nagustuhan niya yung bag. So, we started from her. And then, in the long run, nag-ano na kami, nagkaroon kami ng mga bags for weddings talaga. And amazingly din also, we were allowed to be part of Miss Kiray Celis wedding this upcoming December. So, these are the breakthroughs that really are affirming us that we're on the right track, that people are getting to know the product and getting to understand the product as well. Ruyag is a green manufacturing company. Kami po kasi, since nga we are really pushing for green manufacturing, what we encourage po talaga na small batches of items ang mina-manufacture namin. It's slow and it's intentional, and each piece po is made in the humble homes ng mga nanay namin. Kasi pag magkaroon kasi po ng malaking manufacturing, it takes up a lot of carbon footprints. So everything is handmade, and most of the items are plant-based. We don't use animal-based products, or that will cause animal cruelty for products. Kaya po intentional vegan and cruelty-free siya. Lahat po ng items namin are aligned with the green manufacturing practices. Ang masasabi ko, you really have to be clear with your partners how many lang ang kaya mo makater. Like for us, we really state na we cannot do thousands and volumes of products. Kasi kung you want fast, you want instant, those are not green practices. So kailangan, on my side, on the marketing, very clear na ano lang ba yung lead time na susunodin. And also, hindi dapat maging abusive siya sa manufacturing capacity ng mga tao. So kung ito lang yung kaya ng tao na i-manufacture, dun lang din dapat. I will not say na profitable siya in a sense. Kasi nga kaya nga siya naging passion project eh. But I'm not discouraging everyone to do it. Siguro it's hard right now because we are starting something different, something new. Saka sa business naman po, it's not really, we're not talking about money. It's about the impact you are providing. Maintindihan nila na it's not just profit. Business is not just about profit. It's also understanding that time is also profit, that health is also profit. Kasi anuhin mo nga naman yung mabilis pero hazardous for your health. So what I really stand for is not just the impact for the environment, but the impact for the people. At the same time, what is really, kumbaga sa akin, joyful, kasi joy siya eh. What is really joyful is to see the customers also feeling the same passion after receiving that bag, that same na item na, I wanted this, meron palang ganito. So, yun pa lang, ROI na kami doon. What I do is nagko-crochet talaga ako. I started from crochet and then nakitaan ko na may potential pala mga nanay to have an income para dito. So, sabi ko, kung akong gagawa, hindi ko kakayanin mag-leverage. So, what I did, I taught the nanays, yan, isa sa mga tinuro namin gumawa ng beaded bags. And then, from there, nag-start din ako to learn skills. Like, I enrolled sa UP for entrepreneurship development course din para to enhance kung ano yung kaya ko mai-contribute for the business. And later, patuloy din po yung training for the bag designs and iba-ibang trainings po, like marketing as well. So during the process, sabi ko, kaya gawin ng mga nanay to. Nanay din ako eh. So I understand how they feel. So sabi ko, we can make a livelihood out of this para yung mga asawa nila, they can help as well. Tapos they have the freedom to take care of their kids. Yun talaga yung number one namin na priority. Na kaya siya sa bahay ginagawa so that the moms can take care of their family's needs. We want to be recognized as a community. Kasi po, community kami of not just weavers and artisans, but women who come together on different places. Kasi sa isang bag, kaya siya naging community, 5 kamay ang gumawa. So meron tayong mga mananahe, weavers, farmers. The raw material is kumbaga bought directly from the farmers po. So, ang sa bags po namin, ang price range po namin, we have for as low as 150 pesos na bags to as high as to 2,000 plus na bags. Depende po kasi our motto is we allow the brides to mix and match the bags for them to have a personalized feel and at the same time, yung personality nila mag-shine during weddings or any event. Let's say corporate clients, what they want, they discuss the budget. We create bags according to their budget. But we don't want us na mamark as pang pasalubong kami. Kasi what I dream for Ruyag is artisanal bags. It's kumbaga art in one item. It's an art, it's a community, you carry it. It's an ode to our childhood dreams. Kasi karamihan ng mga bags namin are named after our childhood nostalgic or mga things from the past sa probinsya. So, pag nakakakuha sila ng bag namin, it reminds them of the simple life of province. So, we have Dilimon. So, the favorite na mga candy ng mga bata sa probinsya is Dilimon. We have Aratilis, yung kapag naalala ko siya, kapag after school, maglalakad yung mga bata pa uwi, kukuha ng mga Aratilis na prutas. We also have Berba. Berba is a local fruit, a tropical fruit found in Sorsogon. So, yun ang mga pangalan niya. Tapos, meron din kaming bags na beaded bags na we name after a favorite Bicolano snack, Bilo-Bilo. Talagang hindi madali to pursue a green manufacturing practice, especially when other people are pushing for fast and talagang fast-paced manufacturing, fast-paced fashion. Pwede kang mawala, but as long as you're standing on your brand, may sarili kang brand at paniniwala na pinaninindigan, I believe you can have a breakthrough for that. I cannot credit the success ng ni Ruyag without the help of DTI. DTI has been there sa amin since day one. Kasi nila ako, naging KMME graduate, batch 8 ako. So, from the business modeling, canvas, to the implementations of the strategy, and sa assistance ng expert namin, it's really DTI who help us out. Ang masasabi ko lang po sa mga kapwa ko negosyante at gusto ko po kayo i-encourage na patuloy po nating gawin ang green manufacturing dahil po iisa lang ang ating mundo at kailangan po natin itong protektahan. Kung binigyan po tayo ng Panginoon ng pagkakataon para alagaan ito, mas maging mabuting stewards po sana tayo at ipagpatuloy po ang green manufacturing para po mahanap po natin ang tunay na joy. Sabi nga namin, joy in every handmade.